Hello guys, welcome to another video on JMA Reef Aquarium. Today's video I'm going to talk about the Crossflow Wave Pump CP40 by J-Cod. I got this offline, £80 I think I paid for it, so not bad. Let's have a look what we've got inside. Bit of packaging. We've got the UK plug with adapter. And this is the controller. So you can control all different types of settings on the pump. I'll have a little play with that. A little sticky on thing, so stick it to something. You got the power cord, kettle lead if you're in the UK. The other power source. Then we got the pump itself, the CP40. Really strong magnet. Really impressed with it. Really strong. Like you say there, you can see it's quite strong, so it's not going to go anywhere. And you can tilt it as well, rotate the heads, so it's not like you can have it in one position. You can have it in multiple positions, up and down, like the left up, right down, vice versa, anywhere you want. So you just plug that into the controller, then the power lead into the controller. So yeah, there's a bit of paperwork to show you what's what. What I'll do, I'll set it up, plug it in, get it all going. I'll put it in the tank, and we'll have a look at what it does and without blasting my tank. So yeah, we'll have a quick check it out and see what it looks like. Right guys, so here's in my tank. I've got the controller. It's a bit dark in it, can't hardly see it. Let me just try and get a light on so we can see it. There we go. That's better. Right, so yeah. At the moment I've got it on pulse mode. So these are all the functions there. So that's wave 2. You can dial in the speed, how much power you want, depending on the size of your tank really. So all you do is press the speed, but it goes down all the way to the top to come back again. So you can get a good choice of what you want in your tank without blasting it. And that's like they say, the dial's just like, I think it's to slow it down or increase the amount of pulsing you want it to do, or whatever setting you want. But yeah, I've had a little play with it, but not really got round to it yet. Like I say, we're on wave mode 2, which is the kind of like the wave. So C, I presume, is constant. It's like a surge. So you'll do a little one, then you'll do a massive one, and then do a couple of little ones, then it'll go back again on itself. Which it really does do like a gyro effect, because that's what the aim is to be, like a gyro. So it goes all the way around the tank. So that's the speed, you can turn it up, so see what I mean, that's not even halfway. That's blasting the water movement. So the first setting you've got it's just constant, just normal flow. Then you've got wave 1, which is like your pulsing one. So it goes on, off, on, off. I prefer this one because you get nice movement with the corals and stuff. As long as you don't have it on a high setting to rip them to pieces, and it's not too bad. Moves the water about. Like you say, I've only got that on four bars. Look at what rest is to make it go faster. So you can imagine the power. Like you say, this is a CP40 cross flow. Go through the mode again. Which is wave 1. So like I say, it's just a pulse. As you can see, it just does little short spurts. If you've got one head pointing up and the other one just pointing in the middle, good water movement. Then you have a feed mode and a lock button. So you lock that setting in. So not any buttons pressed, it won't disturb the setting. So that's locked on now. So no one, if anyone touches it, it won't mess it up. You just hold it to unlock it to change the setting again. And the increases speed. So you can see the amount of water movement there just on top. And the coral there. Green torch coral. Wave 2, which is waves. You've got to try and match it with the size of your tank to get that wave effect. Also, just don't crash into each other. It actually does make a wave. As you can see, just like pumps it up. Then it's the other side of the tank and comes back again. So you've just got a bit of the tuning to do to get it right. Like that there. Nice little waves. Obviously you don't want it on too much because you just splash your water everywhere. But like you say there, like that. Nice wave like that. All in all, I think it's a good little pump. Like see what I mean with the speed, you got to go all the way to the top to come back again. So you're gonna get that little burst of madness before you get back to low. So you have to be quick. But other than that, I reckon it's good. It's a good product. See how it goes. Like I say, first time in, so see how long it lasts. So cheers guys, and I'll see you in the next video.